Oh yeah, please don't use those. As a photographer or a videographer, one camera battery is never enough. Whether you're a Canon, Nikon, or a Sony shooter, you need more than one battery in your camera bag. At Roby's Electronics, we have these K&F concept replacement batteries. These batteries are cool because they all come with a built-in USB-C charging port. Come, let's have a look at each one of them. For our Nikon shooters, we have the EL25 and the EL15. The EL15 is for cameras like D7500, D780, and D850. The EL25 is for Z50 cameras. With a provided USB-C cable, you can easily charge your battery with a power bank or a power adapter. For example, if you're using a power bank, you simply plug it in there, then to your battery like that. The power indicator stays on until it's fully charged. For Sony shooters, we have the Z100 and the FW50. So simply plug it in to charge your battery. For Canon shooters, we have LPE17 and LPE6. LPE17 is for cameras like 250D, RP, and R8 cameras. LPE6 is for cameras like 5Ds, R5, and R6. And finally, for your monitors, lights, and other gadgets, we have the NPF 550 and NPF 970. The NPF 970 is really cool because it has a USB out. So with your USB out, you can simply charge your accessories like this. Comment below on which battery you're going to get. Okay, simama hapo basi, labda ndio nitaona sura yako vile uko mhash, niseme nitaisema.